Hey, what's up guys, Simran here, back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I hired content writer for 2 paisa per word. Yes, you heard it right, I have hired the content writer for 200 rupees for 1000 words. So watch this video till the end and let's begin. The very first step is to go to Internshala. Yes, I have hired the writers from Internshala. So basically, they are the interns who provide me the content on regular basis. Internshala, let me show you my dashboard. You can see that I have posted the content writing internship for 4 times. So you can see that I have received 235 applications for internship in content writing, and in the latest internship application I have received around 219 interns applications from all over the country. Now to hire the content writer, go to internshala.com and register yourself as an employer. So for registering as an employee, you don't need to have to be running a company. You can if you just have a website, you can use your professional email address and register yourself as an employer. Just provide your professional email ID, that is mail@domain.com. Provide your password, first name, last name, your mobile number, and register yourself. I have already registered myself, and I have received around 400 to 500 applications throughout from all over the country. So now once you are inside the Internshala dashboard, the Internshala is going to take 24 hours for reviewing your account, and once your account is reviewed, you can post internship. Just click on post internship and select content writing. You can type regular, in office or on field, or work from home. I selected work from home. You can select it as full time or part time. Now number of openings, how many openings you have. It can be 2, 3, 4. So let's say 4. And internship start date immediately within 30 days. Choose the duration as to be 3, 4, 5, 6, and then select the day-to-day responsibility of the intern. The selected intern has to provide me tech-related content, and they have to work on content writing. They have to write digital marketing related content, or they have to write on any other topic based on client requirement. Now select the stipend, fixed one. So what I did, I selected 10,000 rupees for 1 lakh words. Sorry, 50,000 words. So currently I'm paying to my intern 10,000 rupees for 50,000 words. That is around 2 paisa per word. Now at the end, if you are providing the certificate, it's up to you. And you can select the flexible workers, letter of recommendation if you're providing. If you have a company, you can select that. And then skills, creative writing, blogging, SEO, English proficiency. And then click on post internship. So once you click on post internship, you're going to receive hundreds of applications. So now you will have to filter them out. For that, you will have to give them assignment. Just create a PDF file. What I did, created a PDF file in which I have mentioned all the requirements. I gave them 2 articles. I said them, if you qualify these 2 articles, then I'm going to select you for the internship without any interview. So in the PDF, I have mentioned, I have given them the guidelines. I need 2,000 words of content on a topic related to my niche. For example, I need 2,000 words of content on how to format a MacBook. In that, I said them, the content has to cover intro, outro, and the main body. Also, it should have FAQ section, and apart from that, it should be plagiarism free. I mentioned all these guidelines in the PDF file and have sent it to many people. So you're going since you're going to get internship application from many people, or not all of them are going to qualify that. Only 5 or 10% of the people will be qualifying your internship round. So once the content is qualified, you will have to hire those candidates, nurture them, and you can get your content for as cheap as 200 rupees per 1000 words. So this is how I hired like content writing candidates from Internshala for cheap. So that's it about this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and let me know if you want any videos on any topic related to content writing or SEO. So this is Simran here signing off until we meet again.